Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity in the cryptocurrency world. Earning income through airdrops. Airdrops, essentially free tokens, are a promotional strategy used by blockchain projects to gain traction. Let's find out how you can turn these free tokens into income. First, it's essential to understand the types of airdrops. Holder airdrops reward existing token holders with more tokens. On the other hand, bounty airdrops require participants to perform tasks like promoting on social media. These are the primary types of airdrops you'll encounter. To find airdrop opportunities, stay active on social media platforms, especially Twitter and Telegram, where projects frequently announce airdrops. Websites like Airdrops.io and CoinMarketCap are also great resources for upcoming airdrop events. These platforms are usually the first to announce new airdrops. Participating in airdrops usually involves holding a specific cryptocurrency, signing up through a project's website, or joining their social media channels. It's critical to do your research and ensure the airdrop is legitimate to avoid falling victim to scams. Once you receive airdrop tokens, the key to turning them into income is knowing when to hold and when to sell. Keep a keen eye on the market trends and project developments, as these can significantly affect your token's value. Diversification is also crucial. Participate in different airdrops to spread your risk and potentially increase your gains. Above all, remember to practice safe wallet management to protect your digital assets. Diversify your participation in different airdrops to spread risk and increase potential gains. Earning income from airdrops can be a rewarding strategy if done correctly. It's a chance to engage with new projects, diversify your crypto portfolio, and potentially profit without an initial investment. However, it's crucial to be mindful of potential scams and market volatility. Thank you for watching our guide on earning income from airdrops. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights.